Sister B. Now, you might remember a video I do where I was talking about a 87 who, after finding out say him kerosene our new man, right, he sent some voice note to her, right. Basically I make her know say, right, I'm a bigger bad man. He even go as far as to confess to some killings. Right, that's how much he want to prove him point. Say I'm a killer. Well, he's now dead. Right. Never telling about it. So, Dada, the heartbroken 87. I go play the clip for one again, just to refresh the memory, so know me I talk about. And then give you some of the details surrounding his death. Now, let me just say this. Greenwich farm is tense, right? And this so him ill from. So tense that the JDF and JCF had to basically intervene. After word get back, say Dada was killed. Right? Now, Greenwich farm been tense before this. Right? Of course, you know you have top farm and bottom farm, right? And then even amongst the various divisions, people want to split up even further. Right? The main people them as usual, right? People that are jail and people that are firing. Enough of them actually call the shots them. 87s them on the ground. Same man them in and out of jail, right? So them kill somebody, then get locked up, them get let go, them kill again. Even them go jail for like 4 or 5 years, then come back out, start kill again. I thought I'm touch on that before I go any further. Enough time I hear people say, I don't know why him keep a guy jail. I don't know why him won't stop with this. When you not go face the facts. Right. A lot of your favorite 87s them love man. That's it. When time when they keep us, I don't know why him won't stop. I don't know why him no. I'll tell you why him love man. But you know want to come out of the whatnot. Cause in the closet him come out of the whatnot. You know want to come out say, him have one kerosene, for him, make it look like say an eagle eye say. Plus rush she show a job, he can sleep in our house and eat out our fridge. But a man when him down the road he can't wait to go back to jail. When they hear a man say, "Me no business about jail, me ready to go back now." Read between the lines, man. Only a man will love man will say that. What kind of straight man I will tell you say him ready to go back to jail and a business about going to jail? You know business about going to jail? Let me tell you this right now. If me get locked up and them sentence me to go spend time over 4th Augustus, me not stop commit crime. Me I tell you that right now. If they will lock me up and say they will sentence me, right, and the sentence will be carried out at 4th Augustus, me not stop carry out crime. If them ever make the mistake and let me go, the day me come out of 4th Augustus, me I go back on the next robbery. Me I go back on the next. If me have to rob and granny and take away a purse, so be it, me I go back in there. But me I go court, go testify for myself. Right. Me I go court with a mirror in my hand. And me I point on the mirror and me I say, Your Honor, see him right this up. Him do it. And if the judge ever want to give me the maximum discount, me I say, Your Honor, right, me don't want it. Right. Give me the maximum sentence, not the maximum discount. Why would I want to leave 4th Augustus? Me are the only man in 4th Augustus. And me to stop committing crime, me can't wait to go back in there. You can't tell me nothing. Me no business about going to jail, me ready to go now, yeah, cause you want to go look for your man in there. When you can't tell me nothing. Come out of what now. But just have to clear that up. Cause me can't touch on it with you. Well, me make it even clearer now. If you fear 87 them, when the keeper asks why him this and why him that, because him love man, that's the answer. So, let me continue. Here is the audio clip of Dada talking to his kerosene and a new man. Dada clearly heartbroken, say, right, should move on, right, listen to him.
I didn't love man, but you're easy. Yeah, and him talk from how long, that's why you tell me say you don't want to come up from. You want to go Spanish town, you want to do this, you want to do that. Shy, because you don't hurt me, my friend, man. Oh, yes, man. Anyway, I pull up and see him, I gonna know. Because you make him a chat to me after you fall like him a killer. Him don't know my badness. And me lick down Chavis brawling and lick down Sonny, man, if you want to know the 100, man. Me dirt that, man. Me bust him up on him in my front and wash, man, again when I see him, man, him never see me. But Bill yourself. That ways bad for you, bad. You ever? Yes, to you. You kill nobody. Kill the lazy voice note you said before, there I hear a big waste man voice in our back. A long time I do this friend I've been doing, I'm going like me don't do. This is that friend. I did a bad, I did that. Get that kill nobody, me not live in a shop, friend. All of me not have nothing, my friend. You're not bad little boy. Me pull up a gun and I go stomp and sizzle a gun. The whole of them place, the batty boy when me ride through and drive through. Pussy. Ask them about me killing them, I'm going with down the road. Batty boy. 6 in a bum buckler, Bobby face, to you. You kill nobody, batty boy. Me and I chat to man before me murder that. You kill nobody. Hey boy, don't play with me, you know, go suck your mother.
No, every time I hear this voice now, I always laugh. But remember say, him serious. Dada, right, was actually an 87. So much so that him try to use it as leverage, right? When him negotiate with him kerosene to make her know what she's missing out on. What if we don't understand culture? We don't never understand our culture. If the kerosene not a choice, and the kerosene not really want him, and him not really want and 87 is only shoot because they want food in their belly, why would a man want to try to get back a woman? Why would a man want to try to get back a kerosene? Use murder to try to impress her. Think about it now. If that woman valued, I don't know, education or something like that, what would I say? You see, me must say me have me degree, you know, and him not have none. That's what I say. If she value fast car, him that say, remember say, me have me Porsche, you know, my Lamborghini, you know, him not have none. That is what I say. If she value tomato and yam, him that say, remember say, me have much acre. But instead, we might try use, right, to show her what she's missing out on. Murder. That he must have, I hear that 87 that you step down. Right, you go from big killer to little killer. Because him know, right, say, that 87 she want, in she hold. And he make her know, say, right, a joke 87 year, you left really gunman go there with little gunman. That's culture. Anyway, so Dada and care to the people, right, gone at Ochi and flex. While he was down there, him and some man catch up. Right, I'm not talk about the sauce you throw up on your food. Big argument go on, the man them left, come back, right, be a shooting start go on, car chase broke out. Right. Dada them get chased all the way to the toll road, must have Ochi them there now. And them chase them to the toll road, be a gunshot fire. Right. You know, going to Iron Man, 87s regularly carry out chase on the road. You see, I always find it fascinating how them chase that can go on, sometimes for miles, right, and not a single, right, police no spot to chase them. It's so, remember the story with Liberty and P-Boy them? Man a chase man from Hillshire. Right, or Central Village. Mobile man them chase man and flanker gone pan highway. Right. Now the man them a chase. Dada them know. Right, I try get way. Turn pan the toll road. By this point, Dada already get shot up. Right. Other people in the car get shot. Right. One person is a JDF soldier here. And it's also been reported that a 9-year-old also, right, was injured. We don't know the extent of his injuries, but he's alive. But I don't know if his gunshot injured him or when they have a ear said the car eventually crash. So them turn on the toll road now, right, which probably wasn't the best decision to make because they know say the toll road, once you turn on it, right, you don't know if you turn back around. Because I imagine them you want to go hospital, but then again, 87 them wasn't going to make them go to hospital. They might make up their minds to go chase them and kill them. Right. So the driver eventually, right, reached Caymanas. Say no, send them on the toll road, right, for a decent time. Reach K-Manners. I guess the injuries them now start to take a toll. Lose control of the vehicle, run off of the road. Gone over one little precipice. There's a video of some police officers and some passerbys forming like a human chain to help them back up the precipice. Right. May I put it on Patreon where you can see. They might try to help them back up. The car crash. The JDF so they lie them on the ground. Right. At one point it looked like him dead, but then him start move. Right. Let me say it's on Patreon, but you know, this is a blast on my view and MPJ. TIS and MPJ probably have it. So the JDF soldier start to collapse close to the top of the hill because as I say, them form a human chain. And as him get to the top, right, like the last bit of energy him have now start to give way. Right, and then them help him up. Him drop on the ground when him reach. Now last I heard, he's still alive. Here's the thing. Because of who Dada is, and the amount of people him kill, and the amount of enemies him have, the initial reaction right, in Greenwich farm was that people set him up and kill him in retaliation. So even though the argument go on, right, and people see the big argument, them see when time man left and come back and shooting and car chase and all of that, people who associate with Dada, I said that part right, is a smoke screen. So nobody not really a contest say there was big argument and man go for gun and shoot up all kind of things. But they must start set up. I guess they're looking at it from the angle say, what are the odds somebody got Ochi and just so happen to get into an argument right with somebody who is also a 87 and a gang member who could actually go for gun and shoot man. Because people get in an argument every day. Right, obviously most times people don't drive away, go for them rifle and then big gun them and carry out that man come through the place. So when they hear that they might say, it's too bad to be true. Get it? Too bad to be true. And they might say no. Right. What are the chances Dada right, just buck up in some set of killers like him and the man just start dead so they must say retaliation to some people right where Dada involved in them killing. So as it stands, based on the early reports, right, this started from an argument between him and some man and the man and go them bridging them and come shut up Dada and the car. Right. Now further on down the road, right, who knows if you got you said that was all a part of the big plan. But that does show you how untouchable 87s like Dada think they are, right? Because in my farm man, right, Greenwich farm, they all live at Ochi, right? And to me hear me like go on, I make man know say, you know, see me him son, right? In the voice note, I see me him like go on. I make man know say we him kill and most people him kill and you know. You know bad man, you know, usual bad man argument there. Hey boy and where me do this to you and you know me you're all living at Ochi. You know, for Ochi there from Greenwich farm. Then next thing you know, his enemies them start mock him on social media. Right? Because let me say he was very hated because of some of the people them him kill, some of the things them do. Of course, he might have friend them, he might have people them like him, but he have actual enemies, real enemies, because this is a gang member we are talking about. Gunshot start fire. Let me say luckily the security forces responded, right, and you know, I try to keep the peace, but eventually them have to left. When them left, then we will see how that turn out. Now Greenwich farm, and me say same story over and over. Now for the people them right where direct the madness are either in jail or they are foreign. Right. Even before Dada did, right, the place was extremely tense. There were a few main players, right, down the road. I will cover some of them. If you don't know Greenwich farm setup, right, you have the different numbered streets them, right? You have 4th Street and you have 8th Street and them, right? But the main people them involved, right, just to name a few. People like Joe Smoke, Momo. Yes, that Momo from Greenwich farm who is in jail, the same one, right, where a war with your favorite artist. Right? Like Desi, that jail too. Last I heard. Dutchman, that jail too. Right? Crab, Trimpy and them and them. Right? And so you have people them from Top Greenwich, Tavi, Birdman. Right? Dada was a main player. Dada gone now. Right? So you see, just some the small name I'm call off our level. Most of the man them either jail or a man well known to the security forces. So I say the same man in just walk around, right, and cause all the trouble. Minority of 87s commit the majority of the murders in Ireland. So Dada is dead. This is the 87 who basically went viral twice. The first time was a shooting when him carried out and was caught on camera, but at the time enough people never know saw him. Right? And then the voice note got dropped. I say he literally brag about the killing. So we have to go see how Greenwich farm right deal with this. But until them can do something about the people them way in a jail or they foreign, right, not much is going to be done. Right? Imagine them have more jail how long, Desi and them and they. Man can still pick up the phone and say, yo, kill him, kill she, and like that. I just say location change, that's the same story, over and over. People who were once friends turn enemies, right, start war, right, start kill off each other. Man that jailer say him dead, she dead. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, see you circling. Bless.